Liked the other video and saw how amazing you can time the stock market with so much certainty, then you might be thinking, well, why don't I do that with triple leverage ETFs so I can get rich really quick, 3 times as fast? And some people are actually doing it. They're using this UPRO ETF, that's the stock ticker, UPRO, and they're trying to get rich super fast. Well, here is the other one that I already discussed in another video, how there's this screen here that turns green when you go into stocks and it turns red when you're supposed to go to cash, and it makes triple the stock market. And it has this screen here to tell you how much money you're going to make in the future. So why not do that with a leveraged? Well, I made an app that shows what happens if you actually do it. And it looks like since 2009, it has an almost tenfold gain. It truly is mind-boggling. Somebody can just take a few $1,000s and get rich. It's just amazing. Well, this is what the screen looks like when there's a recession warning. It turns red and it says cash. And the simulated portfolio goes to cash during that time, doesn't have a catastrophic loss like the stock market. If you were in UPRO during a recession, it might go to zero. And that's why you need to know how to go to cash. So this red line here is an indicator of unemployment. When unemployment goes up and stock market goes down at the same time, this goes to cash. And when the stock market starts to go up, then it turns green, it says UPRO. So that's how it works. It's very simple. And if you're not so sure that unemployment is a good indicator, look at the history. Now, unemployment has been tied to the economy since as long as people have had jobs and been buying things when they had money. They have to have a job to have money, and when companies are not making enough money, they lay off their workers. So they are directly tied. It's a cause and effect. You can read this article. It's also by Philosophical Economics, in search of the perfect recession indicator. And he shows how unemployment tells you when there's a beginning of a recession. And that's the time to get out of the stock market. Most of the time you want to be in the stock market. And so this app works so incredibly well. It's really tempting to get into the stock market using this triple leverage fund. But if you do so right now, will you make money? That's why you should read this, Philosophical Economics, the single greatest predictor of future stock market returns. If you don't want to lose your fortune, you should read this article. And using that methodology, this app shows, and this magenta line here is predicting how much your returns will be over the next 10 years. And you can see the blue line is the actual stock market returns of 10 years. And it follows the prediction so incredibly well. There's a 91% correlation here. Now, I see this pink line was up here. That was 2009. This here was 2000. It really was the time to rebalance your portfolio in the year 2000 and in 2009. And right now, it's getting close to that time where we might expect another recession, but it's not here yet. But if you put your money into stocks, don't expect to get rich right now. You need this app, and it's free, so get it. It's right there, S&P 500, Volume Trend Forecast. All right, investors, if you want to get rich quick, get this app. It'll help you. It's certainly not going to help you. If you don't like it, you can get a refund, get your money back. All right, investors, I wish you well in your investing.